Hello, welcome to my channel Try Chinese Goodies. Today I am going to cook restaurant-style chicken chow mein. Don't worry, it is so simple and you can't imagine how easy it is. If you know these tips, you can prepare your chicken chow mein just as delicious and tasty like takeout. I also cooked an easy egg drop soup. It goes best with chicken chow mein for a quick and healthy dinner. Cut the chicken breast into 2 slices. Always cut the chicken breast against the grain to loosen the tissue. This is how Chinese restaurants get tender and juicy chicken breasts that are not bland. Then cut it into 1/4-inch thick slices. This way all the chicken pieces are the same thickness so that they cook evenly. Marinate the chicken breast with 1 teaspoon soy sauce, 1 teaspoon cornstarch and 1 tablespoon cooking wine. Let's prepare chicken chow mein sauce. 1 tablespoon soy sauce, 1 tablespoon oyster sauce, ½ tablespoon dark soy sauce. Cut the white part of green onion into halves to give it more flavor. Separate the white and green parts. Some slices carrot. Some slices onion. Cook the noodles and then rinse with cold water. This way the noodles won't become too soft. Add the oil and toss well so that it does not stick together. Heat the oil in a large frying pan over a medium heat. Add the onions, carrots and the white part of the spring onions. Stir fry for 1 minute to get the aroma. Add the chicken, don't turn it but wait 1 to 2 minutes to turn it. This will give it a nice brown color. Add ½ teaspoon dark soy sauce. Add the noodles and chow mein sauce and toss for about 1 minute. This allows the noodles to absorb the sauce and become tasty. Add the chicken, onions, spring onions and carrots. Toss everything together with noodles for 1 to 2 minutes. Look at that, the chicken chow mein looks like takeaway. And it's so delicious and tasty too. That's cooked hearty egg drop soup. It is so easy and quick. This goes best with chicken chow mein for a quick and healthy dinner. Make cornflour slurry. Add 1.5 teaspoons of cornflour in a bowl with 45 milliliters water. Stir well and set aside. Bring the chicken stock to a simmer. Stir well cornflour slurry before you pour it into the pot. Use a spoon to stir the broth in clockwise with evenly spread, so that the cornstarch slurry and the broth are evenly blended. Then slowly pour the whisked eggs into the soup. As you continue stirring in order to create long egg ribbons. Add some salt to taste. Add some black pepper, sesame oil, green onion. Thanks for watching and supporting. I appreciate if you leave comments. Wish you have a nice day.